Hi all and welcome to the Unreal Engine course for photorealistic interiors. My name is Shantanshu Mathur and I am a self-taught 3D artist and I specialize in architectural visualizations. With an experience of 4 years in this field, I mainly work in 3ds Max and Unreal Engine. In this course we are going to pick a project from Behance and try to replicate it inside Unreal Engine for real-time purpose. As you must be aware that real-time technology has gained momentum in the recent years, Unreal Engine provides with an entirely new experience of walking around the 3D scene and interact with it. In this course we are going to learn some things. Let me explain those things. Good practices that we should follow in 3ds Max. Exporting the Datasmith file from 3ds Max. We will learn about the Unreal Engine interface and shortcuts. We will learn about importing Datasmith file inside Unreal Engine. We will check for artifacts inside Unreal Engine for any errors in the mesh or anything. We will then move on to the lighting and material creation inside Unreal Engine. We will cover blueprints for interacting, like interacting with TV, door interaction, material swap and mesh swap. And then we will also learn about optimization techniques like using texture optimization, using LODs inside Unreal Engine. And in the end, we will learn about packaging the project so we can send it over to the client. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. See you later.